Hi friends, it's Sitso from Sitso's Home Economics and you're welcome back to my channel. Today we're in my bathroom and I'm going to take you on a quick tour. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to start from the bottom. In this basket, I have extra brick conditioner, an extra bottle. I have my air refreshener, extra disinfectant, WC cleaner, etc. Things like that in this basket. Okay, so that's that. Here I have my extra toilet rolls. On this side I have extra towels that I use in this bin. I have toothpaste and baby wipes, sanitary towels, extra toothbrushes. I also have some extra batteries here. These are extra makeup brushes and sponges here in this container. This is my jewelry box, and this basket, which I just got recently, soaps, nicely organized. Anytime I need a new one, I just reach for it and it's right here. I have my extra deodorants, shaving sticks in bags here. So here I've organized my makeup here, extra makeup down there, and my jewelry. These are my beads. I have this neutral color with a gold bead. I have this gold necklace and then the multicolored beads and the black one there. These are my everyday jewelry, like the ones I have on. I wear them every day, and so when I come into the bathroom, I just take them off and keep them right here, and makes things easier for me. Even in the mornings, I just grab them, do my makeup, and I'm done. This is just an artificial plant which I got from Melcom for about 24 cedis. I thought it would look really cute. So this container I got from Melcom. I keep extra floor mats in here, my bathroom mats. I have this container where I keep all my rags. These are microfiber cloths which I use for cleaning, dusting and stuff like that. These are for my steam mop, also microfiber cloth. Basket holds my dirty floor mats, and so I keep them here until I have a full basket, and then I do a load of laundry. On this side of the bathroom, I have my laundry system here. I have 3 baskets, and so the first basket holds all white items. The second one holds colored items but not black, and the third one holds black items or very heavy fabrics, bed sheets, duvet and things like that. Goes into our third basket. Under this shelf, I got this shelf from Melcom. It's a table you use on the bed when you want to serve somebody on the bed, like a tray, or if you want to use a laptop on the bed. But I felt it would work perfectly for me. We're yet to make a whole shelving system here, but we haven't done so yet. And so I got these 2 and it's working perfectly for me. So here I just put a tray underneath this box. I got this box from Banana. I think it was 10 cedis or 15 cedis or so. So in this box I have my laundry soap here, my fabric conditioner, my disinfectant and my bleach in this box, lying on a tray here. This is liquid detergents, fabric detergents as well. extra fabric conditioner. Okay. So that lies here perfectly. When I need it, I just draw it out. Because of the tray, it's very easy to pull in and out. Okay. And this tiny bin is where I keep my lint from the dryer until when it's full, I empty into the bigger bin. It's just cute, and I love the color red. So I got the floor rags from Melcom, the pink ones, and the white ones underneath, I bought them from Makola. So I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, my bathroom organization and bathroom tour. If you did, please click on the like button, click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.